I love how Ideogram.ai helped me with my tasks, especially in social media and video editing. Did you know that you just have to type in the keywords and then it will generate accurate photos for you? Well, it's still an AI, so I'm not saying that this is perfect. Meron naman other resources, pero ito, bet ko siya ngayon. So, for my example, I put in snow in the airport and old woman. So, let's just wait for it to generate. Alright, there you go. So, meron akong nakuhang 4 to 5 images and I think ito yung